您好，同学们。Today we will learn and revise once again. 你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？ Okay, let's get started. 同学们 please repeat after me. 你叫什么名字？ Once again, 你叫什么名字？ Now we will read together. 你叫什么名字？ Once again, 你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？ That means, what is your name? So, in order to answer, you have to say, follow with me. 我叫我叫 and then say your first name. For example, 我叫 Ram, 我叫 Sita. Understood? Okay, 同学们 I will read red part and you will read green part and say your name. Understood? 1、2、3 start. 你叫什么名字？ Once again, 你叫什么名字？很好，谢谢。同学们 repeat after me. 你叫什么名字？ Once again, 你叫什么名字？我叫花花。我叫花花。So that means, what is your name? My name is Hua Hua. Here, Hua Hua, it is a Chinese name. Okay, 同学们 now it's your turn to say question and answer. Ready? 1、2、3开始 start. Once again, 你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？我叫花花。我叫花花。同学们 repeat after me. 你叫什么名字？ Once again, 你叫什么名字？我叫明明。我叫明明。很好，谢谢。That means 你叫什么名字？ That means what is your name? 我叫明明。我叫明明。That means my name is Mingming. Okay, 同学们 now it's your turn to say both question and answer. Ready? 1、2、3开始 start. Thank you for speaking. Now we will learn another. 同学们 repeat after me. 你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？我叫 Rose。我叫 Rose。很好。 So that means 你叫什么名字 That means what is your name? 我叫 Rose. 我叫 Rose. That means my name is Rose. 同学们 repeat after me once again. 你叫什么名字 Once again. 你叫什么名字我叫 Bright Bill. 我叫 Bright Bill. 很好，谢谢。你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字 That means what is your name? 我叫 Bright Bill. 我叫 Bright Bill. That means my name is Bright Bill. Understood? Okay, 同学们 for the last time, please read the question and say your name. Ready? 1、2、3开始 Start. Okay, 同学们 once again please repeat the question and say your name. Thank you for speaking up. Now we learn how to ask and say your name in Chinese. Okay, 同学们 that's all for today's lesson. 谢谢同学们，再见。